Hey guys, I know that I released a kitchen cleaning video pretty recently, but this is a much deeper clean of at least the fridge. At least the fridge. I deep cleaned the bookshelf not too long ago, so I didn't do much there. I am changing the way the video is edited by the speeds and such, so tell me what you think. And yes, this video is also a little older from how my hair is. I have cut it short now, and it was much longer then. I got sick quite a lot after I made this video, so maybe 3 times I got sick over and over again. So my apologies on the lack of videos. What I could put up during between the sicknesses was much more important than a cleaning video, so I figured I'd put this up first. So I hope you're fine with the lack of videos and how long this took to get up. There is always a buildup of ice in my freezer, so I just took a butter knife and just kind of like scraped the ice out and put it in a bowl and threw it outside. I didn't show myself throwing it outside because facing the actual door makes a bright light appear in the camera and it makes it hard to see anything but that bright light, so my apologies. I checked the expiration dates for the items in the fridge before wiping off the trays. I tried to take the bottom tray out to make it easier to clean, but it is pretty stuck in there, so I left it alone. When it comes to certain items though, I do smell them before judging whether or not they're going in the trash because I just don't always trust expiration dates. The camera moved because of my dog, so my apologies. Sorry for the weird angle, but at least you can still see majority of the cleaning. Sorry I'm in the way in this part, but know that I am cleaning and taking things out of the hutch. It doesn't need to be deep cleaned too much, but the reason why I'm cleaning off just the top shelf mainly is because I had honey on the top shelf, but for some reason whenever I get honey it leaks from the bottle and gets all over the place and makes everything sticky. It's another day and the floor is a mess. Time to pick up whatever I bought for the animals from the day before. One is a 16-pound bag of cat food, which isn't terrible to lift, but the other is a 50-pound bag of dog food, which I usually struggle with. Now, like I mentioned in this video, it is a little older now because we've changed the area a bit in our living room space. Everything is squeezed together in the kitchen area so that the crafting desk could be fit in for me. Watching this video and the next vlog may show the difference in the room. I wiped down the plate in the microwave with my back toward you so you can't see much of the cleaning, so I cut it out from the video. Sorry for the bad angling. I'm going to get better at this with more time, I promise. I want to also apologize for the lighting being wonky. It is making it hard to see what I'm actually cleaning and if it's actually getting cleaned or not. And that's it for this video. Sorry there wasn't a lot of talking. I didn't have much to say. I do know that I have to start putting more videos up from now on and get it on a regular schedule so you guys have something to watch from me almost on a weekly basis. So I'm gonna definitely try to do better. I just got sick 3 times in January, so it was after making this video, so I wasn't able to get much done, and that's on me. I guess I shouldn't use sickness as an excuse just to edit a video, although I would have had to do voiceovers like I am right now for this particular one. So I hope you guys still enjoyed this video, and subscribe, like, comment, and I hope you have a wonderful day.